All right, so now let's look at seasoning your pixel. This is going to be a nice quick one, and essentially it's pretty simple in premise, but something that not very many Facebook marketers realize. Seasoning your pixel sounds pretty exotic, right? So here's what it is. It's pretty simple, really. Your pixel collects data, so conversion events, as they get triggered. So here's what I mean by that. Let's say you're an e-commerce store, or your client is an e-commerce store, and they are tracking purchases, or they have a campaign that is trying to get purchases. Well, a brand new account or a brand new pixel will have no purchase data on that pixel, right? Because it's never triggered a purchase before. It's a brand new pixel. It's a brand new account. And essentially, what seasoning your pixel means is that you are going to get those events, that data collected on that pixel first before you go and optimize for conversions. So you're essentially making sure that the pixel has enough data for whatever event action or conversion event that you want to track for or optimize for before you go and optimize for it. Because a brand new account or a brand new pixel will not have that data on it, right? So here's what's going to happen if you launch a campaign with a brand new unseasoned pixel and you optimize for conversions. This can happen. It doesn't always happen, but it may happen. Number one, you will get very expensive results, or your cost per event will be a lot more expensive than normal. Or number two, your campaign can putter out. So Facebook doesn't know what you want it to do. There's not enough data on the pixel. You're telling Facebook to optimize for something and it's going, well, I don't really know what you want me to do here. There's no data on here. So what does this mean, right? So your campaign will putter out because Facebook will try to protect you from spending that money. So how long does it take to season a pixel? Typically, you will want to have at least 20 to 30 conversion events. So let's say, again, you're tracking for purchases. You'll want around 20 to 30 purchases that get triggered on that pixel before you then go and optimize for conversions. Now, this goes right back to that whole analogy I was using before, right? If you're telling Facebook, look, Facebook, I want you to go out there and find people that are going to trigger the purchase event for me. So find people that are going to buy this product. And Facebook goes, great, let's go out there. And then it looks at your pixel and goes, there's no data on this pixel. What do you want me to do? I think these are the people that are going to work. Now, the algorithm is great and it's getting a lot better, but it's not that good, right? It still needs some data on it in order to know who those people it should, go after or optimize for. So this is what I'm meaning by optimizing. Essentially, when you run a conversion campaign, for example, at the ad set level, so this is the optimization and delivery at the ad set level, you can either by default optimize for conversions, so it will default to this, or you can optimize for link clicks or impressions. When you have an unseasoned pixel, you want to make sure that you actually start off with link clicks. You don't want to start off with conversions, simply as this may lead to higher costs or it may lead to your campaigns puttering out.